What is an event? Event is an action which has happened. You can consider event as a generalization of things on which the program responds. In programming, an event is an action which occurs as a result of the user or another source, such as a mouse click. Examples of the events are clicking and loading the web page on web browser, creation of file in a file system, webcam or microphone receiving sensory input, incoming network traffic, typing on keyboard, timer. In mobile apps, the events that happen are the results of the user doing something. On a click of button, the orientation of the phone screen changes. What are event handlers? Event handler is a block of code which gets executed when the event occurs and it is associated with the event. Examples of event handlers. In Make Code Arcade, you display message by using splash block. Splash block will get executed when you click on Start the Simulator button. And this Start the Simulator button is an event handler. When you click Send for a text message, it sends the message and makes a sound. When you purchase an app from an app store, the phone asks for a password. When you click an icon for an app, the app opens.